We got done with our light upgrade here. Next project we're gonna hit is the actual plasma table. Let me spin you around. Now that we have good light. So I brought Austin over, had him help me with the table because I only know so much at this point. He's been doing it for a few years and he's got the basics and everything he needs. So he helped me with this, and then we were talking. So I have a bunch of these bearings, kind of like a cam follower, I guess. You can see my lines here. This one is very faint. This one's not touching. And I was asking for help because I made a lot of these, just cut some random stuff out. This is from the last project. And we did some tests, and then he tested his much faster, and the cut quality was a lot better. So he was kind of showing me the basics, and what'll happen is if these are too loose, they'll wiggle as this is trying to move. So that's what we have to do tonight. Just gotta take our Allen wrench, go through and make sure all these are touching both sides. I don't know if you consider this the carriage, but both sides. And then we're also going to double check these ones as well, because we got the lines in the back here, but I don't really use it down here, but I see it's inconsistent. So we're just gonna double check some stuff. All right, so we're just take our Allen wrench here and just knock that up a little bit. Okay, we're touching. I'm not sure how tight you go. Check these ones. That one's really loose. Yeah, see, look at that. That one's not even touching at all. Looks like looks like we actually need to loosen up the set screws on the inside. So, not sure what size these are. That'll work. Yeah, okay, so we're just gonna snug these down, and then we'll take our wrench. This one. This one's gonna need cleaned out. Be a bit of junk in here, but there we go. We're touching. Now we can go ahead and follow this up. Tighten these right down. This one's got some junk in it too. You were still not touching there, so let's switch hands. My other camera's out, or my other camera stands outside. I do have a screw. Austin sent me some spare parts when I got a table from him. So got everything all taken care of. Now we gotta just clean this thing up because we've been neglecting to do that since we've got it. Shined up the best we can. Try to clean a bunch of this dirt off, make the anodize more anodized now. So I gotta grab some WD-40, and he told me just go ahead and spray the rails down. I'll probably spray the bearings down a little bit. I'm not sure if they're sealed or not. I'm assuming they are, but you never know. But yeah, that's all I got for this one. Catch you on the next.